Welcome back to another episode, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share two sell trades I took on GBP USD, and I'll also tell you why it is important to take partials and moving stops to break even. As you can see, this is the Friday's low, and the price broke a structure to the upside, and I was expecting price to come down and take this low again. So let's go to 1 minute time frame and break down the trade. As you can see that the price first took out this high, and I was looking for sell opportunities during the London Open. So as you all know, this is the London Open box. I take most of my trades during the London Open, but today I also took a trade during the New York Open. Let's first break down the first trade. As you can see, during the London Open, price first broke the structure to the downside and induced sellers and then took them out above this high. As soon as the price took out this high, it broke a minor structure to the downside right over here. As you can see, the liquidity to the downside is still intact. So you can expect the price to go down and trade at least these lows. So I entered right when the price came into this last up candle. It was a 3 pip stop loss, and I moved my stops to break even once the price broke this structure to the downside. And I even took 50% partials. The reason why I took 50% partials at this low, because if you zoom out, there is still liquidity resting above these high. So the price can decide to go up and clear those high. You can't predict the markets, it can anytime turn back on you. As you can see, it did came back up again and took me out to break even. I still secured some partials and waited for another opportunity during the London Open. So let's break down this second trade. So once price came back down again, I was expecting price to break below and take liquidity to the downside. So the price first gave a fake BOS, came down, took out the buyers, came up again and took out these early sellers. As you can see, this was the last push up that took out the liquidity resting above these highs. So I entered right below this last push up. I moved my stops to break even as soon as the price broke below this low, and I was risk free at this point. Price almost came back on me and did not take me out. I took 100% of my position right below this low. So this was two trades I took on Monday this week, and I hope you guys are following my trades since last week, and I'm trying to upload every trade I take during the week. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.